Hey guys, Aditi Sharma here, and today I'll be taking you to the Pearson View Test Center and showcase you the entire process of taking the Pearson Test of English. I know it's an important day in the study, life, work abroad journey, and you're bound to get a little nervous. However, the Pearson Test of English is designed to be a worry-free, breezy experience, allowing you to perform your best without any jitters. To ensure that you're all set, here's a little checklist before you leave your home. Check that your name on the application matches your valid passport. Double check the date, time and location before you leave for the test center. Plan to arrive at least 30 minutes before the test to check in securely and avoid the last minute rush. All you have to do is carry a valid passport and a positive mindset. Now let's head to the test center and experience what's it all about. Arriving early and checking in smoothly keeps your nerves down and helps you take the test with a calm mind. The Pearson Test of English is about every little detail you can think of to keep you at ease and help your English skills shine through. Let's go. So the first thing that they do is give you a warm welcome at the test center. They are here to guide you through the check-in and make sure you're all comfortable and set for the test. First, they ensure security by confirming your identity. Your valid passport is mandatory to take the test, so that's the only physical ID that you require. So ensure that you bring it to the center and always keep it with you. You have to sign and agree to the test taker's agreement, and after accepting the rules and regulations, you have to do a palm vein scan. It's a fast, secure, non-intrusive step just to confirm your identity. It's all very high-tech and super cool. Please note, if you have a hand injury that prevents the palm vein scan, please get in touch with your customer care before booking your test. Or if you already have a booking, reach out to them and let them know in advance. They might reschedule your test or give you further instructions as per your case. And now, to complete our check-in process, the administrator will quickly capture a photo which will then be printed on your test result to ensure that your results are as secure as a vault. Before we head into the test room, we've got to part ways with our personal items. In case you have plans after the test or you're coming from your workplace, don't fret. We've got these lockers to keep our stuff safe and secure. All personal belongings such as watches, wallets, phones and other smart devices must be turned off and stored in a locker outside the testing room to maintain a secure testing environment. It's time to enter the test room and ensure you're not carrying anything prohibited inside the room. There will be a physical check. Guys, this part is exciting. The administrators here have a respectful way of conducting physical checks. It's all about maintaining your comfort and dignity, so there is nothing for you to worry about. See, it's all self-guided. You follow their instructions to show that you're not carrying anything prohibited, like a little game of Simon Says. If you wear glasses, you must place them on their desk to get them inspected without physical contact. Alright, here we are at our cozy little booth. It's got everything we need. A computer, a keyboard, an audio headset, and even an erasable booklet with 2 pens. And guess what? It's a QWERTY keyboard, just like one at home. Just a little reminder for you all. During this 2-hour test, we'll sail through 4 sections: reading, writing, listening, and speaking to assess your English skills. Don't worry about the others around you. The microphones are super smart and only pick up your voice during the speaking section. So, keep your cool and let your talents shine through in each section. Remember, it's all about enjoying the journey and learning along the way. And hey, remember, you're not alone in this. A friendly invigilator keeps an eye on things to ensure everything runs smoothly. Don't hesitate to raise your hand if you feel like you're in a pickle or need assistance. It's like having a helpful friend right there for you. And just like that, we've reached the finish line, folks. When you're done, all you have to do is raise your hand and the invigilator will come over to assist you in exiting the test room. See, it's as simple as that. Now let's collect our items from the safe locker and step out into the sunshine with the satisfaction of a job well done. So there you have it, folks, easy as a pie. Pearson View test centers make your whole process easy as a breeze from the moment you step in till you walk out with a smile. Pearson View is dedicated to making your exam day worry-free and straightforward. Typically, you can get your test results within 48 hours. So now, you can get back to the things that actually need your attention. Take care and keep shining.